Okay, welcome to Superbike demo number 1. Alright, so the way this contraption works is you want to pull up the bike right behind the barrel that you're going to load on. And if you look down here, this is your kickstand. Okay? This thing comes off, and see how it's like facing up? It comes off and you turn it around so that it's facing down. And since we're on uneven ground, it's not able to go on, but if you're like on pavement, you slide it on and it becomes your kickstand. So once that's on, that's step 1. Then you want to position the bike so that it's right behind the barrel. And then you pull this thing out so it's hanging over the edge. Okay? And then, if you come and get a close-up over here, there's this side latch. If you pull it and rotate it into the left, it drops this bar down. Okay? So once you're there, what you want to do is take your ratchet strap. We're going to find something more sophisticated soon, but for now, while we're testing it, just working with a ratchet strap. And you want to put it on both sides, like so, and crank it down. And you want to keep cranking it until it starts to lift the barrel up off the ground. It's getting a little bit long. So this one's kind of screwed up. It'd take a little bit to fix it, but you can imagine that it's kind of starting to lift up off the ground. And then what happens next is you take this bar here on the side that's kind of in this holster, and you slide it into this little hole right here and drop it down. And then you can kind of use the leverage to pull the barrel up off the ground. So right now the barrel would be hanging, and you'll see there's a hole right here. You can actually lock this thing into its hole. So it's locked. So it's not going to fall. You can now take this thing back out, put it in its holster. And then what you're going to want to do is make sure that the bottom of this can clear this platform. So you may want to ratchet it down a little bit farther, and then take a hold of both sides and push the whole thing forward. And you can imagine that the barrel is hanging off of there right now, and it pushes all the way forward, and then you release it. Something like that.